Do you have multiple SAP systems, and you need to perform maintenance on one of them without affecting the others? Or perhaps you have several jobs that require scheduled maintenance. Today, we will guide you on how to set up maintenance tasks in BatchMan. To begin, use transaction code J5HEN to access BatchMan, then to Customizing, and navigate to Extended Customizing. Under Define Maintenance Timeframes, you'll find a list of all scheduled and completed maintenance tasks. To create a new maintenance task, click here. You'll have three options for the type of maintenance. You can maintain a system, an RFC connection, or a category to cover jobs. Let's set up maintenance for a category. Select your desired category and, if necessary, provide a description. Specify the start and end times for the maintenance or use a special calendar for scheduling. You also have the option to automatically skip jobs during this period. Click Accept to save the maintenance task. If you need to maintain more than one category or RFC connection, you can simply duplicate the maintenance task you just created and select another category. When a maintenance is running, you will notice that its status is active. When you check the corresponding jobs in the monitoring, you will see that the job is stopped, and a tooltip appears with the category indicating that it is in maintenance. For any further questions about maintenance tasks, please don't hesitate to contact us.